Hey guys, John, Vaporonic Technologies here. Wanted to show you how we ship these machines. A lot of people ask like how they're going to arrive. These are our standard products. In the tallest box here, we have either a VH1000 or a 3630 in there. The other boxes could be Weekend Warriors 800Ps, 800 bases. I'm not exactly sure which is in there, but we ship most of our products in boxes. You're gonna see an orange label that says inspect for damage before accepting. The freight companies are very, very rough on things. If you guys have ever shipped anything before, you know how extremely violent your product can be in transit. So we ask that you guys check this product out, check the machine out, unbox it, keep the freight company there. They are obligated to stay until you unbox and unwrap the machine. They do not have a choice. That is their job. You and I have paid them to ship this product to you safely. So if you inspect it, something's wrong, you need to let the freight company know, notify that on the bill of lading, or refuse to accept the machine. Look, if you refuse to accept the machine, they're gonna ship it back. They're gonna have to pay for the shipping to and from for your machine. And we'll fight right there with you. We certainly will do that, and they are obligated to ship a product that is free and clear of damage. So do not let them push you around. This is how they come. We've had people say, well, you probably shipped it that way. No, we make sure these boxes are wrapped up, stapled to the pallet. The machine's actually shrink wrapped inside of there as well. Everything's neat and tucked away. So we don't just ship stuff recklessly. They will destroy it. We've had forklifts run through these cabinets before. You name it. It's been done, and we're here to help fix it for you. You just need to notate that. Again, we don't own the freight companies. We just work with these freight companies, and we work with many different ones every day and every week. So let them know if you have damage. But again, this is what some of the product looks like. You can see big boxes, tall boxes. Of course, micros, like back there, micros and the small boxes do come UPS, but these products also obviously come less than truckloads of LTL freight. And that means you're gonna need a forklift or a loading dock to get this thing off the truck. Otherwise, we need to book you a liftgate too. So that's another conversation for another day. But this is what they look like before they leave the factory. If they have damage, please refuse them at delivery and just let us know at the same time. As always, if you have questions, email the sales team or give them a call. Thanks for watching.